So this is the platform. I'm going to be showing you the indicators we use and how we use them. If you have not had it installed, online community, if you've not installed it, this is the opportunity again. There's a video for it, but if you've not installed it, this is it again. Don't worry, just reserve your questions. After the class, we'll move forward to asking questions. Now, I have you, when you get it, it will be in your email, download it into a folder where you remember. So we're using 3 indicators. We're using the TMA, we're using the Fibonacci pivot, and we're using the semaphore. And we're using the semaphore, which is also a sunshine indicator. This is also our sunshine indicator. And these 3 indicators are super important, and I'll explain what they are. Then there is a template already. A template, I'll show you what a template is. That is saved. You do not have to start setting. We did the work for you. Okay, which color, which one. You can do that by yourself if you still want to. But this template makes the indicator, because every indicator has a setting. The way we use it, the exact setting we use it for, and how it is in our charts when we are trading is set for you. We put it exactly here in the template. These are the indicators we'll be using. On this chart, moving forward to how we set it, let me show you what the template is before we move forward. Look at my chart. This is a plain chart. I created this template. By default, when you download your equity platform and you now have a demo account, by default, you see your template should be one of these ones that came with it. Something like this. Okay, no, this one is us. Or whether this is also us. Something like this. Template is how your chart is already preset. I'm giving you a beginner tutorial. You can watch it all on YouTube. We also have videos on that. Join our YouTube channel, subscribe, and then get used to this concept. Templates are just preset settings for your chart. Now I want to set a template that says sunshine. 3 indicators now. Those indicators will not appear on your chart because they are custom indicators. This indicator is the moving average. This is the ADX, the average directional index. This comes with the MT4 platform, but the custom indicators were made outside the MT4 platform, and we now install them. That's why they are custom indicators. They need to be installed here. So this is how we install custom indicators. You come to File. I've done a video. You can check it out. If you don't have it in your email, write your email down. We'll send it to you. Come to File. Move to Open Data folder. It opens up a folder. Move to MQL4. Then move to Indicators. These are the indicators that come with the platform. This is where you now install the custom. Custom means we made it ourselves. The custom indicator here. And if you remember, I opened a folder here, so I'm going to copy the indicators, the 3 of them. Ctrl-C, or you right-click and you copy. I'll just use Ctrl-C because I want to be fast. Then I go back. Then you paste it. Ctrl-V. See the indicators. This is hash times 4, semaphore. We have Fibonacci pivot. Is your intraday support and resistance. I will explain. Don't worry. Then the TMA, the true moving average on the chart. Now I've installed this. The next thing I want to add here is my template. My template is preset. The sunshine scalping template. I copy it too. I come back to this part. Now I go back, or you could just, let me close it so that it sinks into your mind. I've copied this. I come to File again. Open Data folder. Very simple, very simple. Then you move to Templates now. You do not go to MQL4. There's template here. You want to paste the template, not an indicator. Boom, pasted. Now I will close my platform. Sometimes you just go to Navigator and refresh. You can also close your platform, open it back. Oh, sorry. This isn't what I intend to open. What's this? Equity. Good. I'm opening my platform. Why did I close it? The things I saved sometimes will not appear until you refresh or you close it and open it now. Now, you come to this star button here. That's your navigator window. This is where you install your indicators from. Before, my semaphore was not here. Now it's here. I think I installed it twice even. You also see that my TMA is now here. My Fibonacci pivot is now here. I don't need to start dragging or putting them on the charts now. I will just go to a template I saved already. And see the template is here. It wasn't here before. I installed it now. It's here. You click it. Boom. Everything is on your chart. And this is what we'll be using for the sunshine structure strategy.